It was a bright Monday morning. People were busy in the city. Cars moved loudly on the roads. Shopkeepers opened their stores. Children walked to school happily. On a small street near the market, a young man named Adam walked slowly. Adam was kind and honest, but he was very poor. He worked in a small tea shop. Every day, he cleaned tables, washed cups, and served tea to customers. His boss shouted all the time,
Adam,
"Hurry up!
Adam,
Clean the floor!
Adam.
Bring the tea!" Adam worked hard, but he always smiled politely. One day, while walking to work, Adam saw something black near a tree.
He stopped.
What is that? He looked around carefully. Then he picked it up. It was a leather wallet. Adam's eyes became wide. A wallet? He opened it slowly. Inside the wallet was a huge amount of money. Hundreds of dollars. Adam almost dropped the wallet. What? His hands started shaking. He looked left. He looked right. Nobody was there. Then he found a small folded note inside the wallet. The note said, "Please return this wallet to its owner. The money is needed for my daughter's operation." Adam became serious. Oh no! He looked at the money again. His shoes were old. His rent was unpaid. His mother was sick. For 1 second, Adam thought about keeping the money. Then suddenly, a loud voice came from behind him. "Hey, stop!" Adam jumped in fear. A tall police officer walked toward him quickly. Adam became nervous immediately. Good morning?" The police officer looked suspicious. "What are you hiding?" Adam quickly hid the wallet behind his back. And nothing. The officer narrowed his eyes. "Then why are you sweating like a chicken in summer?"
Adam lafet nervosly.
"Because it is hot." But the weather was cold. The officer crossed his arms. "Show me your hands." Slowly, Adam showed the wallet. The officer grabbed it quickly. "Aha! Stolen wallet."
No! Adam shouted.
"I just found it." The officer opened the wallet. His eyes became huge. "Wow, that's a lot of money." Then suddenly, another man came running across the street. He was fat, tired, and breathing heavily. "My wallet! My wallet!" The man stopped in front of them. "Officer, that young man stole my wallet." Adam looked shocked. "I did not steal it." The fat man pointed angrily. "That wallet is mine." The officer looked serious. "Can you prove it?" The fat man smiled proudly. "Of course." He quickly said, "Inside the wallet, there is money, my ID card, and a family picture." The officer checked. Everything was true. Adam's face turned pale. "But I really found it on the road." The fat man acted angry. "Young people today are thieves." People nearby started watching. Some whispered, "Poor old man, this young guy looks suspicious." Adam felt terrible. Then suddenly, an old woman selling bananas shouted loudly from her shop. "Wait!" Everyone looked at her. The banana seller pointed at the fat man. "That man is lying." The crowd became silent. The police officer frowned. "What do you mean?" The old woman walked closer. "I saw everything. This young man picked up the wallet from the ground, and that fat man came later." The fat man became nervous. "As she is lying." But the old woman continued. "Also, the wallet fell from a black car near the market." The officer looked at the fat man carefully. "Do you even know how much money is inside?" The fat man froze. The officer opened the wallet again. Then he noticed something strange. There was another hidden pocket inside the wallet. Inside it was a business card. The real owner's name was written there. And it was not the fat man's name. The crowd gasped loudly. Oh! The officer became angry. You tried to steal someone else's wallet. The fat man panicked. Then suddenly, he started running. Stop, the officer shouted. But while running, the fat man slipped on a banana peel.
Whoosh! Bam!
He fell directly into a vegetable cart. Tomatoes exploded everywhere. The crowd burst into laughter. Ha ha ha. The officer arrested the man immediately. Adam finally relaxed. Later that afternoon, the real wallet owner arrived. He was a tired businessman. When he saw the wallet, tears filled his eyes. Thank you so much, he said softly. This money is for my daughter's hospital operation.
Adam simile kindli.
I'm happy I could help. The businessman looked surprised. You returned all the money even when nobody was watching?
Adam nodded.
Doing the right thing is important. The businessman became emotional. Then he gave Adam a reward. Not only money, but also a better job in his company. Adam could not believe it. Really? The businessman smiled warmly. Honest people are rare. A few months later, Adam had a new job, better clothes, and a happier life. His mother got medicine. His rent was paid. And every morning, Adam still smiled politely, because deep inside, he knew something important. Honesty may be difficult for a moment, but it brings happiness for a lifetime.